Have you heard of Hatshepsut?
No.
Okay, so she was a woman pharaoh in 1478 BC. She is um, known for being one of the most important pharaohs of that time and also one of the most influential women pharaohs of that time. So, do you remember reading about her in any of your classes?
No.
So, who or what do you remember from those classes? From any social studies classes that you've had as a kid?
Rosie the Riveter.
And then, are there any women today that you've read about that could be compared to the Hatshepsut?
Hillary Clinton.
Okay, and who else?
Rosa Parks.
Do you think it's important to learn about people like her?
Yes,
Why?
because they're important people of history.
Okay, but why would it be important to learn about them?
Because they did things that were good for people.
Okay, and do you think that Hatshepsut was remembered by a lot of people?
Yes.
Yeah, because she has a ton of monuments and stuff, and people are saying that she's one of the first great women in history, and there's a huge thing about it going on in Washington, D.C. right now, and they're going to make another statue for her. So, what kind of people do you usually read about in your social studies classes?
Men,
Why?
because they do important things.
Just men?
Mostly.
What are some characteristics of the people we learn about in history?
Do important things.
And what are some like adjectives you would use to describe them?
Brave.
Brave? Why brave?
They do things that others are too scared to do.
So do you think that brave would be a good word for Hatshepsut?
Yes.
And so why do you think that books we read about in classrooms aren't about women?
Because not as many women have done as many important things as men.
All right.